You can drink it. You can play catch with it.
You can play cricket with it.
You can play football with it.
You can feed your pet heron with it.
You can fish with it.
Got one. You can do circus tricks with it. Woo!
You can juggle with it.
It can be your best friend. Mwah. It can be your worst enemy.
You can explode it! Hi, we are making Coke explode.
This is a control test. Just shaking.
Shake, shake, shake,
Shake
shake
it.
it, shake it.
Shake, shake it. Okay, ready? 3. Magic, come stand behind me.
I want to do it.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah!
That is what happens when you make Coke explode.
Welcome back to making Coke explode. This time we're going to put salt in it. With this much salt in 1 can of 330 millilitres of pure Diet Coke. Ready? Stand back.
Coke float.